Hi, Neil McLaughlin here for another episode of DIY Insurance Claims. Today we're going to talk about in what instances and what circumstances would it be necessary for an insured to request the assistance of a public insurance adjuster. In previous videos, we've gone over what is a public insurance adjuster. Now we're going to cover in what instances would you call or reach out to one if you needed assistance. Basically, whatever field you're in, whether it's medical, you drive Uber for a living, anything, I can pretty much venture to guess that the majority of you are not construction experts, and you're not experts in dissecting policy, an insurance policy, and what an insurance policy terms mean. If you're on this site, it's probably because you are trying to seek out those answers, and I congratulate you for doing so. In instances where you have a complicated claim and a large dollar amount of claim, and you have a devastating claim, these are instances where, in my opinion, I would suggest you reach out to a public insurance adjuster. A public insurance adjuster will come out, evaluate your claim, bring in experts sometimes if it's beyond the scope of their knowledge, and give you a overall comprehensive view of what's required to bring you back to pre-loss condition, another term that we talked about in previous videos. Those are the instances in which I feel an insured is safe in reaching out to a public insurance adjuster for consultation on a covered claim. An example of times when you would not necessarily reach out to a public insurance adjuster is when you have a very small claim and the claim is something that's very simple. In those instances, I would suggest that you research your deductible, again by reviewing your declarations page, a term we covered in a previous video, and determine your deductible amount. If it doesn't rise to the occasion of your deductible amount, minor repairs or minor fix-its around the home is just a part of home ownership. It's nothing really to get your insurance company involved in. On the other hand, larger claims, large dollar amounts, catastrophic claims as we call them in the industry, usually require a public insurance adjuster to evaluate your claim and help you bring you back to pre-loss condition. Thank you very much. This has been Neil McLaughlin for DIY Insurance Claims. Have a great day.